Nice to see you again on my channel. In today's video, I want to share an extremely simple secret to help rotten and withered orchids recover quickly. Using only familiar ingredients right in your kitchen. With this method, orchids that seem to have been damaged can still grow green again and soon bloom brightly, brightening up your small garden. Let's get started. This is an orchid that is rotten due to mold invasion, causing it to slowly wither and die. With rotten orchids like these, don't rush to throw them away. You may notice that this location is always filled with mold and harmful bacteria. Once rot shows signs, it will spread rapidly, and if not treated promptly, the orchid can be severely damaged or even die. For leaves that are rotten and show signs of infection, they should be removed immediately to prevent the spread and protect the rest of the plant. It also allows the orchid to focus on recovering and developing healthier parts because the orchid is very weak. Black streaks appearing on the surface are a typical sign of fungal infection, easily recognizable with the naked eye. Remove the moss substrate on the surface to check the roots inside. If you are new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button to support me and so you don't miss any orchid care tips. It's great to have you along on this journey. Some roots are still hard and healthy, but some roots are showing signs of weakness. Remove the roots from the rack to thoroughly check the entire root system for timely treatment. It can be seen that many dry root parts have been attacked by fungi, causing severe root rot, making the roots dry and completely lose the ability to absorb nutrients. Besides the dried roots, there are still strong roots that can be retained as a foundation for the plant's regeneration. The upper leaves are still green, but the petioles have turned yellow and become soft, a clear sign of fungal infection. So they should be removed immediately to protect the orchid. Using sterilized scissors, I proceed to thoroughly cut off diseased root segments to prevent the risk of spreading pathogens to healthy roots and maintain a safe growing environment for the orchid. What country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment to let me know. It's great that we can connect and chat with each other from all over the world. Cut back the base of the root until you reach fresh tissue, bright green or white. This is the potential site for new shoots or roots to develop under proper care. After pruning, we will clean the roots. Rinse the entire root system under clean running water to thoroughly remove dirt, mold and residual bacteria. To ensure a clean root environment, creating favorable conditions for the recovery and regeneration of orchids. We will let it dry naturally and will proceed to sterilize the roots. I use lemongrass essential oil as an antibacterial and antifungal agent to prevent plant root pests. Mix 1 teaspoon of lemongrass essential oil with 1 liter of clean water to help the solution reach a safe and effective concentration in protecting and caring for orchids. Use a clean container that is the right size for the plant roots and fill it with lemongrass essential oil solution. Place the entire root system of the plant in the solution for 30 minutes, which helps disinfect, kill mold, and stimulate new root growth. After about 30 minutes, remove the roots and sprouts from the solution after soaking and treatment. Use a soft cotton bowl soaked in lemongrass essential oil solution. Gently wipe the entire root area, helping to completely remove remaining mold. After cleaning, I will proceed to make natural fertilizer to provide nutrients for the roots. I use 1 banana as an ingredient for natural fertilizer. But the main ingredient used is banana peel, an ingredient that is often discarded after eating but actually contains a large amount of essential nutrients, especially potassium, phosphorus and beneficial microminerals, helping to improve root health and promote the overall growth of orchids. Then, cut into small pieces to easily extract nutrients. I choose aloe vera as an important ingredient in the orchid recovery process. Aloe vera is a plant that contains many valuable nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and a series of essential minerals that help increase the resistance of orchids, stimulate rooting, germination, and especially maintain natural moisture for plants during the recovery period. Once the aloe vera and banana have been chopped, we will proceed to puree the mixture to extract maximum nutrients to serve the process of restoring and nurturing orchids. Add 500 milliliters of clean filtered water to the blender to dilute the mixture. Helping the blending process to be effective and convenient for extracting nutrients to grow orchids. After obtaining the mixture, filter the water to make natural fertilizer to provide nutrients for plants. Please let me know what orchid species you are growing, so I can build an in-depth care guide video, specifically tailored to the characteristics and needs of that species. Add 500 milliliters of clean filtered water to the aloe vera and banana peel extract solution. Stir well. The ingredients will dissolve completely and leave for 15 minutes to form a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer. After 15 minutes, the aloe vera and banana nutrients have turned into liquid fertilizer. Pour into a bottle suitable for the size of the roots. Place the plant in the soaking solution for about 30 minutes so that the roots can absorb nutrients optimally. After soaking for 30 minutes, remove all the orchid roots from the solution. At this time, the roots have fully absorbed nutrients, helping to increase resistance to fungal diseases, while strongly stimulating the process of new root growth, healthy leaf development, and flower bud formation. It is clear to see that the root tips have responded positively to the nutrients, opening up and reaching out to find nourishment, thereby promoting the plant's revival process. I use cinnamon powder to disinfect cuts on plants, applying it directly to the wound to prevent fungus and help the tissue heal quickly. Cinnamon powder is not only effective against fungus but also stimulates the formation of new roots. After applying the ointment to the wounds on the orchid roots and base, we will let the orchid dry and the wounds heal after 1 day. After 1 day, the wounds on the orchid roots have healed and begun to recover, creating creating favorable conditions for the plant to enter the planting stage. I used a cut plastic bottle to make a planter, creating a mini greenhouse environment. Use the foam piece cut to fit the bottle and place it in the bottom of the container where the plant is fed. Put the plant in a plastic bottle and we will grow it using the mini greenhouse method. We will punch holes in the bottle cap to let the air out and avoid the stuffiness of the water vapor in the bottle. Pour filtered water into the bottle to maintain humidity. Just up to the foam part, avoid submerging the roots. Use tape to cover the cut part of the bottle. Thus, we have created a mini greenhouse to help the orchid grow well. After planting, place the orchid in a cool, light place so that the plant can quickly adapt and grow healthily. The remaining nutrients are used to care for other orchids in the garden. Use a soft cotton pad to absorb the mixture of cinnamon powder and aloe vera. Gently wipe it on the leaves and roots to provide nutrients, fight fungus and stimulate growth. Clean both sides of the leaves to remove dirt and keep the orchid leaves shiny, helping the plant absorb maximum light and increase photosynthesis efficiency. This solution mixture has a disinfecting effect, helping to limit harmful bacteria and fungi, thereby protecting the leaves and maintaining the overall health of the orchid. Clean leaves help plants absorb carbon dioxide and light more effectively, supporting photosynthesis and nourishing leaf roots and flower buds. The second method is to water the mixture directly into the orchid pot, helping the nutrients penetrate deeply into the growing environment, nourish healthy roots and support the orchid to grow evenly. After watering, remove the plant from the pot to avoid leaving it submerged in water for a long time. We maintain watering with natural fertilizer from aloe vera and cinnamon powder periodically every 2 weeks to supplement essential nutrients, helping the orchid grow quickly, healthily and stably. After a month of persistent care, our orchid has clearly transformed. New green, shiny leaves, strong and dense roots. To get a better look, I will open the bottle and gently lift the plant out to check the orchid's growth while grown in the mini greenhouse environment. When we carefully open the lid of the mini greenhouse, we see the pure white, strong, tightly attached and long-stretching young roots, proof of perfect revival. The mini greenhouse method proved to be especially suitable for the young root stage that requires high humidity, combined with nutrients from cinnamon powder and aloe vera, simple ingredients that are easy to find in the family to help the plant recover quickly. From a plant that seemed impossible to save, we now have a new orchid with clean, shiny leaves, strong roots, ready to adapt. When the plant has reached the necessary strength, I will move it to a new environment to grow and continue to let the plant grow. Use pots of suitable size, designed with effective ventilation and drainage holes, to help maintain ventilation and avoid waterlogging when watering. Pine bark substrate has been carefully treated to remove mold and potential pathogens, ensuring a clean and safe growing environment for orchid growth. Place a layer of large pine bark at the bottom of the pot to create ventilation for the roots below. Next, place the orchid in the center of the pot to secure it, helping the plant grow evenly around. Finally, insert the remaining pieces of pine bark to fill the gap. After planting, gently pat around the pot so that the growing medium adheres firmly to the roots, creating stability for the plant in the new growth stage. At the same time, add a thin layer of moss on the surface of the substrate to optimize moisture retention, help the roots grow healthily and limit rapid evaporation. Thus, the plant has been transferred to a new substrate, creating favorable conditions for stronger growth. At the same time, I will add more nutrients to support the orchid to recover and grow optimally. Continue using nutrients from aloe vera and banana peels, watering directly into the roots so that the orchid can absorb quickly, helping the roots to be healthy and promoting comprehensive growth. We maintain watering with natural aloe vera fertilizer and banana peels every 2 weeks to supplement essential nutrients, helping orchids grow quickly, healthily and stably. On normal days, if I notice the moss on the surface of the substrate is dry, I will spray mist to add moisture to keep the plant in ideal condition. After care, the plant is placed in a cool place with gentle light, helping the orchid photosynthesize well and grow quickly. I hope this video will help you take better care of your orchids at home. If you find it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on upcoming simple and natural orchid care tips. If you encounter any difficulties in the process of growing orchids, don't hesitate to leave me a comment. I'm always ready to support so that you can grow healthy orchids that bloom brilliantly. Thank you for watching. I wish you all luck, happiness, good health and success in your garden care journey. I look forward to seeing you in the next videos.